To zoom in on an image on Hover in Shopify, you need to add some CSS and JavaScript code to your theme. First, go to your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Online Store section. Then click on Actions and Edit Code. In the code editor, open the theme, liquid file and add the following CSS code to the bottom of the file. This code will create a zoom effect on the image when you hover over it. The CSS code uses the hover pseudo class to apply the zoom effect. Make sure to replace the image class with the actual class of the image you want to apply the zoom effect to. Next, save the theme, liquid file and navigate to the layout, liquid file. Open this file and add the following JavaScript code to the bottom of the file. This JavaScript code will enable the zoom effect on the image when you hover over it. After adding the JavaScript code, save the layout, liquid file. Now, go to your Shopify store and hover over the image to see the zoom effect in action. You can adjust the zoom level by modifying the CSS code. To do this, go back to the theme, liquid file and adjust the transform property in the CSS code. For example, you can change the transform property to scale 1.5 to increase the zoom level. Best practice is to test the zoom effect on different devices and browsers to ensure it works as expected. Also, make sure the zoom effect does not affect the responsiveness of your store. By following these steps, you can easily add a zoom in effect to your images on Hover in Shopify. This can enhance the user experience and make your store more engaging. Remember to always back up your theme before making any changes to the code. This will ensure that you can revert back to the original theme if something goes wrong. Additionally, you can also use Shopify apps to add the zoom-in effect to your images. These apps can provide more advanced features and customization options. However, adding the code manually gives you more control over the zoom effect and allows you to customize it according to your needs. In conclusion, zooming in on an image on Hover in Shopify can be achieved by adding some CSS and JavaScript code to your theme. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can easily add this feature to your store and enhance the user experience.